my god. Oh my god. I saw dudes a little excited because Jonathan Cars at the muffler shop, he's getting some headers installed. People love the 535, so we just gonna throw it in there, get some exhaust clips. My only fear is that it has a muffler equipped with it, so I'm just hoping that this muffler doesn't like muffle the beautiful sound, because I would tell John like, hey, straight pipe that bitch about harra, harra, harra. I'm gonna grab John and be right back. Hey John, you excited though?
Yeah.
John didn't sound so excited, so we'll see. But he's also really focusing, so. Yeah, let's go see what's happening.
Wow. Come in.
Fresh headers installed. Was it a pain?
Yeah, it was a pain. Not sure.
Look what happened, guys. I don't know. Damn. Look at
Everything
that.
good with you, man?
That shit got caught in the hood shock.
You're not aware, dude. See, you're not used to having that thing, huh?
Oh, man. Yeah, for you guys that don't know, I'm not a really flossy dude, so I went to get out of my shell and buy a chain. I think we're doing a whole vlog type today.
Man, that shit looks crazy, though.
I know. The hype.
That shit
All of a sudden, you weren't that hype in the car.
Dude, I'm fucking dealing with some shit.
Yeah.
Does it not look like
It does look sick.
insane?
It looks sick. But we're still, like, sad about this. That sucks. All right, well, I'll see you guys when it's fixed, or I'll see you guys when the headers are on. Can you say that again?
I said just hack it off and put like stainless tips on it and you'll be fine.
That's what I'm saying. Hack off that muffler. Shout out to David. He even knows. This shit looks sick up here, dude. I don't know what it is. It's just broken E34 is turning me on. Headers are in. Just gotta connect it and then we're good to go. I'm telling them, let's cut that muffler off.
Alright, I'm all done. Like, that's just gonna weld this right here and finish it up.
Take care, brother. Appreciate you, bro. Take care, man.
Okay, so not quite, but they're making some progress actually, and I'm hyped. I took some pictures.
Oh yeah, sick.
So remember how we said they weren't gonna make it work? They kind of did something in there.
I told you.
They cut off like the entire,
shit.
like they have some custom shit in there.
Oh wow, I'm gonna go home. Let's go out.
No, they're already almost done. I said they're already almost done. Like they have to make this other pipe, and he's making this one now.
This shit better sound good, cause if this shit don't sound good and has a damn muffler on, we cutting that muffler right off.
Bro, this dude even said I shouldn't cut it off, bro.
Fuck that dude. It's ready to go.
Ha! No time. Oh, wait, you. Damn you.
Mucho caliente.
Hey, look at how he cleaned that up.
Oh yeah, he's got a little bracket right here too.
Oh my.
Flex bracket.
Wow.
Hey, what do you think?
I am very excited to start her up.
That sound good?
This shit sounds so deep, bro.
Here he goes. That sounds so good. That actually sounds really good. That sounds so good. Oh my. That sounds so good. Wow, that sounds so good. I want to drive it. We're gonna drive it right now. Oh, take it easy, race car. That thing sounds so good. I almost like felt like I had to shift in the Prius. I thought like we should cut his muffler off, but I don't think so after now.
Okay, so I like him, but however, we for sure need to get a tune or something. I don't know.
Dude, it sounds so good.
It sounds really good, but this idle, like, it's either like the air box is on wrong.
Oh, you probably got a vacuum leak? Sounds like a vacuum leak. It's going like this.
Yeah. And the check engine light comes on, like, but like if I rev it and it catches back up, it's good. So I feel like there's something up with either the air box or something.
Probably, yeah. Or the headers, like you said. Dude, that thing sounds so good.
Dude, it sounds like fucking crazy.
Sounds really good. This guy might lead me to freaking cut off my muffler and everything on the M5. God damn, this thing sounds great. Alright, we're gonna go to the traditional test spot.
I mean, the check engine light is permanently on now, but if there's no idle or anything, or if there's no like idle drop like how it was doing like when I was right here,
yeah,
then I'm guessing it's probably like on now. Like it's.
Well, usually the check engine light, it comes on for like the O2 sensor.
I mean, it went away, but now it's not going away anymore. So.
Can you try to rev it again? Alright, now let's do that. Let me get a sound clip.
I want to hear it from out here.
Alright.
Wait. Why does it sound like it's about to pop?
It sounds so good, huh?
It sounds like a race car, bro. What the fuck?
I swear it would pop if you didn't have muffler.
I know. Hi, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, turns out that my car now sounds like a fucking monster. He wants me to do a muffler delete, but I'm not necessarily down to do that because I do not want the cops barking at my car every 3 seconds. As far as the results go, I'm very pleased with this header install. I just wish I had more money to maintain the rest of my car because I think we need to get a few other things done to it so that it's running a little bit more clean. But other than that, man, I'm really hyped. Damn, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. All we really need to know, moral of today, is that the car is insane now. It has a check engine light that's on, but reset this battery, hope that does the job for the check engine. If not, I think I'll just have to thug it out with the check engine for a little bit because I don't think it'll turn off because those are like different headers. It's not used to that until I get like maybe like a tune or something.
It sound good? Dude, I think it sounds amazing.
Whoa.
Hey, but guys, this is the real thing because we all read the comments and Jonathan reads the comments too. If you guys, let me know what you guys think, if it sounds good, or if we should cut the muffler off and have snack-a-dackle-doodle pop. And I'm glad I brought the quiet-ass Prius so you can hear all the pure, natural-ass sound. Alright, this time John says bye. He's not just gonna disappear. Race car driver. This time you're gonna actually say bye and not just disappear.
Is that what I did last time?
Yeah, well, the camera died. But we have a small problem. Check engine light keeps coming on or off.
Yeah, so if you guys might know anything as to why that may be, and as well as the idle is like really odd, which leads to the check engine light coming on.
Yeah.
If you guys know.
And off the top of my head, ICV's been replaced, mass airflow's been replaced, no visible vacuum leaks, O2 sensor's been replaced. It's kind of a little weird, but we'll give it time and see how it happens.
Yeah, hopefully, you know, after this drive today, it goes away. And
because we just took the battery out and reset it, but then it came back on once the idle adjusted. I'd be safe. Hey, don't drive too recklessly.
hi, bro.
Safety bad. Sayonara, folks. I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.